Beef Sambousek is one of the most popular appetizers in Ramadan, and for good reason. It is so delicious, and I make it even easier by using puff pastry. To make the filling, just saute some onions and garlic in olive oil, season generously with Diamond Crystal Company sea salt, add the ground beef, add 7 spice, black pepper, more of that sea salt, and mix together. Add some pomegranate molasses, a little bit of tomato paste, stir in some toasted slivered almonds and some parsley. And this is your filling for the sambousek. Now for the puff pastry, it should be thawed. It takes about 40 minutes to do that. And then you want to cut it into 3 or 4 inch circles. Add a spoonful of the filling right into the center. And then you are going to close it and shape it just like you would an empanada. Just make sure to seal it tightly with your fingers and not to have any of the filling touch the edge. Lastly, to make sure that these are secure and shut, you are going to grab a fork and make a design just like this around the edges. Repeat and add it to your parchment lined baking pan, and then you are going to top these off with an egg wash. Lastly, you are gonna add some Diamond Crystal kosher sea salt flakes on top. This takes it to a whole other level. Once you bake these, you are going to bite in to a nice and crunchy puff pastry that has that subtle salt on top and that mouth watering beef filling. You need to try this sambousek.